Hello. In this video, I will show you how to restore your Facebook marketplace. As you can see, this Facebook account is restricted, and there is no request review option available. Even after clicking on the continue button and moving forward, the request review option still does not appear. When we report the problem and check the support inbox, we can see that the appeal has already been rejected by Facebook. So, what should you do in this situation? In this case, the only practical option left is to get help from an expert. Now the question is, how can you find a reliable expert who can actually help restore your Facebook marketplace? For this, one of the best platforms is Fiverr. Here, you can see a seller offering a service to fix Facebook marketplace issues. Let's scroll down and review the details. The seller also mentions that they can help with issues related to Facebook pages, Facebook shops, and Messenger. As we go further, we can see that the seller has been providing services on Fiverr since 2023 and has built a strong profile. Now, let's take a look at the reviews. The seller has more than 100 5-star reviews, which shows a high level of customer satisfaction. There is only one low rating, which we will also review. Starting with the positive reviews. A client from Australia mentioned that the seller did a great job, although the work was completed in about 4 weeks. Another client from the United States said that the issue was resolved within 1 day and praised the seller for excellent service. These reviews show that the seller has successfully handled different cases, sometimes quickly and sometimes depending on the complexity of the issue. Now, let's look at the negative review. The client mentioned that the work was completed but took more time than expected. In response, the seller explained that the account was permanently banned due to a serious issue, possibly a major policy violation, which required extra effort and time to resolve. This indicates that even in complex cases, the seller is capable of resolving the issue, although it may take longer. Overall, considering the large number of positive reviews compared to only one negative review, the seller appears to be trustworthy. Now, how can you contact this expert? You will find the link in the video description. You can also check the first comment of this video. When you open the comment and click the link, it will take you directly to the Fiverr page, where you can contact the expert and ask for help regarding your Facebook marketplace issue. Anyone can click on the contact option and explain their problem to get assistance. Thank you.